This video tutorial I will cover getActualMinimum method of calendar class which accept field. Here I have defined the class calendar demo. Here I have created a calendar object. Then I am calling getActualMinimum method of calendar object and passing field as year. So this method returns minimum value of year field. Then I am calling getActualMinimum method of calendar object and passing field as month. So this method returns minimum value of month field. We got 0. 0 means January month.